A woodworker's journey is made possible by the generous support of people like you. Please go to our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/AELLC to become a friend of the show. Without you, we would not be able to create this fine program. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Baruch Hashem, and welcome to A Woodworker's Journey. Today, I'm going to tell you about my strategies on getting tools for less. I don't have much money since I have 2 kids and my wife stays at home. Between religious school, dancing lessons, music lessons, swimming lessons, gymnastics, and Cub Scouts, I don't have a lot of cash lying around to purchase $1,000 plus tools. So I'm going to disclose 3 strategies that I have in order to pick up tools for less. I will also give my opinion on the one strategy that I do not recommend. Just like Scar from The Lion King,
the point that I must emphasize is
you need to exercise patience. You must wait for the opportunities to get tools for nothing or next to nothing. Actively work these strategies, and when the opportunity presents itself, grab that prized tool. My first strategy is to sign up or join your local Buy Nothing and Free Cycle groups. As the title implies, the wonderful and kind people in these groups give their stuff away for free. I was able to get this 1.5 horsepower dust collector for free from the Free Cycle website. Now, in order to get this dust collector for free, I did have to climb up onto a ladder and uninstall it from a wall in a garage. So, some heavy lifting may be involved, but that is a small price to pay for getting a valuable tool for nothing. These sites do thrive on people giving things away for free, so I highly recommend that you pay the kindness forward and give some of your own stuff away for free on these sites. It doesn't have to be woodworking related, but it's easier to give something away than to spend a lot of time trying to make $10 on Facebook Marketplace selling your kids' old toys and clothes. My second strategy is to join your local woodworking groups, like your local Woodworkers Guild and Facebook groups. I got this bandsaw for free recently from a member of a local woodworking Facebook group. She tried it out and decided she just didn't like it and wanted to get rid of it. I also got a second corded drill for $5 from the Washington Woodworkers Guild. The guilds are populated with fellow woodworkers who are willing to part with tools that they upgraded or no longer need. They will usually offer them to fellow members at a steep discount. The added advantage to joining a guild is that they often enter into agreements with your local woodworking stores. My guild membership gets me a 10% discount at my local Rockler and Woodcraft, and 10% off the wood that I purchase from 2 of my local wood suppliers. If you have made it this far into the video, I would like to thank you. If it isn't too much trouble, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel and liked this video. It doesn't cost you anything, but it is a huge help to me. It provides me with encouragement to continue this hobby, both as a woodworker and YouTube content creator. The third strategy I employ is to use local online estate auction sites. I have purchased some great stuff from the local online estate auction site that I use. I got this cart and all the sanders in it for $66. The rigid oscillating belt sander alone, brand new, is $300. I also got this Super Dust Deputy set up for $38. Brand new and not already set up with a collection bin, the Super Dust Deputy is $190. Now, you are not always going to get a great deal on these sites. You do need to know how much these items cost. I have lost many an online auction for tools because I was not willing to pay that much for a used tool. Also, be aware that these online auction sites often charge taxes and fees, so take that into consideration when you are bidding for your tools. The one place I will not get my tools from is Facebook Marketplace. It has to be the most frustrating way to try and get tools on the cheap. You will be dealing with pallet resellers and people who abuse a tool for one job and try to sell it to you for $10 off. My experience with Facebook Marketplace in my area is that it is a colossal waste of time. The search functionality is littered with ads masquerading as local sellers, and the distance filter is a joke. Save yourself the time and headache and just say no to Facebook Marketplace. So, do you disagree with me on my opinion on Facebook Marketplace? Is there a strategy that you use that I missed? Please let me know and share by adding your comments below. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. That is all I have for today. I'm happy that you have decided to come along with me on this journey. Thank you, and happy woodworking. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please tell your friends about us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and comment on this video. A Woodworker's Journey is brought to you by the generous support of people like you. You can support this program by going to our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/AELLC to become a friend of the show. We could not do this without you. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found today's episode entertaining.